Officially the warmest London marathon on record, and with the temperature hovering around 23 degrees, Queen Elizabeth kicked off proceedings for some 40,000 runners. Marathon great Eliud Kipchoge was favourite for the men's race, and the Kenyan didn't disappoint. At one stage he was on course for a new world record, but slowed in the final stages to finish in a time of 2 hours 4 minutes and 17 seconds. Mo Farah was competing in his first race since quitting track running to focus on marathons. The 35-year-old lost time after an early mix-up at a drink station, but he still finished third in a British record time. Ethiopia's Shura Kitata Tola was a surprise second. Genzebe Dibaba felt the impact of the heat in the women's race. Defending champion Mary Keitany was the favourite, but the Kenyan was overtaken by compatriot Vivian Cheruiyot, who won her first London title a year after making her marathon debut at the age of 33. There was home success in the men's wheelchair race, with David Weir claiming victory for an 8th occasion, while there was a breakthrough win for Madison de Rosario in the women's race. The 24-year-old Australian upsetting 4-time champion Tatiana McFadden for her first ever medal in London. Elise, Holman, Al Jazeera.